Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the laptop so the boot menu will respond. Save work, shut down fully, and plug in the power adapter to avoid interruptions. Make sure you know your Lenovo family, ThinkPad, IdeaPad, Legion, because the key differs slightly. Once done, power on and get ready to press the key immediately. Timing matters. You want the firmware to catch the keystroke before the OS loads, which is why a full shutdown and steady power are important. Power on and press the boot key sequence without delay. On many Lenovos that's F12, but some use Enter to access the Novo menu. If Enter drops you into a menu, choose Boot Menu or press F12 when available. Use short, repeated presses rather than holding the key. This reduces mistiming. Once the boot menu appears, move with the arrow keys to highlight the device you want, such as USB or DVD. Then press Enter to begin booting. After selecting the boot device, wait for the target media to initialize. This can take a few seconds. Make sure the installer or recovery environment starts. If Secure Boot blocks the media, you may need to disable it in BIOS/UEFI. If the device is missing, reboot, enter BIOS setup, enable USB boot, reorder boot priority, or toggle Secure Boot. A reliable troubleshooting step is trying another USB port, remaking the bootable drive correctly, or updating the BIOS if boot entries remain absent.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.